Welcome to Newborn Burping, the ultimate guide for parents. Burping is an essential part of a newborn's feeding routine, helping to release trapped air and prevent discomfort. As a new parent, it's natural to have questions about burping your baby. In this article, we'll cover the basics of newborn burping, including why it's important, how to burp your baby, and tips for making the process easier. So, why is burping important? Well, burping is crucial for newborns because it helps to 1. Release trapped air. During feeding, babies swallow air, which can become trapped in the stomach. Burping helps to release this air, reducing discomfort and preventing gas. 2. Prevent gas and colic. Trapped air can lead to gas and colic, causing pain and distress for your baby. Burping regularly can help to prevent these issues. And 3. Promote digestive health. Burping helps to stimulate digestion and relieve pressure on the stomach, promoting healthy digestive function. Burping your baby is a simple process that requires some patience and technique. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose a burping position. There are several burping positions you can try, including sitting upright with your baby on your shoulder, holding your baby upright against your chest, or laying your baby across your lap. Next, gently support your baby's head and neck, making sure their chin is slightly elevated. Then, use the heel of your hand or your fingers to gently pat or rub your baby's back in a circular motion. Finally, listen for the burp. Continue patting or rubbing until you hear a burp. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Here are some tips to make burping your baby easier. First, burp your baby after every feeding, including breast and bottle feedings. Second, keep a burp cloth handy to protect your clothing from spit up. Third, experiment with different burping positions to find what works best for your baby. Fourth, be patient. Burping can take time, so be patient and don't get discouraged if your baby doesn't burp right away. Lastly, watch for signs of discomfort. If your baby shows signs of discomfort or distress during burping, such as arching their back or crying, stop and try again later. Burping is an essential part of a newborn's feeding routine, helping to release trapped air and prevent discomfort. By following the steps outlined in this article and using the tips provided, you can make burping your baby easier and more effective. Remember to be patient and don't get discouraged if your baby doesn't burp right away. With time and practice, you'll become a pro at burping your baby.